As the world is busy in doing a collective effort to combat the coronavirus outbreak, Modi and his fascist government has plotted an attempt to cover their flaws by playing blame game with the Tabligh Jamaat for the abrupt increase in corona graph.
And the curve is going up really steeply. And the reason that this is happening is because of the Tabligh Jamaat.
With the help of Indian media, Modi has managed to sell his narrative to Hindus, triggering religious hatred against Muslims.
While authorities across the country are tracing every last person who participated in the Tablighi Jamaat Markaz in Delhi's Nizamuddin.
Not use the word ignorance, it's not ignorance, it's willful, it's deliberate, it's well planned, it's a damn conspiracy.
इतना जहर इन लोगों में कहां से भरा है, इतनी नफरत भारत के प्रति इन लोगों में कहां से आ रही है?
ऐसा अब लग रहा है कि जानबूझकर तबलीगी जमात से जुड़े हुए लोग साजिश के तहत ऐसा कर रहे हैं।
आवाज कम! आवाज कम!
Hindu men are dressing up like Muslims and threatening to spread the virus, which is an entirely new level of Islamophobia that only Hindutva extremists are capable of. It's clear that Modi is communalizing the coronavirus to seek a political win by targeting Indian Muslims.
Corona has arrived. This is what they say when they see Muslims. They're beating us, shouting at us, saying, "Here comes Corona." Is this a way to behave? There is a limit to our patience.
Though this fresh wave of Islamophobia in India has triggered UAE royals' conscience, which incurred a response that is likely to flare differences between the two countries due to the rising Islamophobia in India, the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC, has urged the government to protect the minorities, and they stated that the racism and discrimination India has shown to Muslims has completely destroyed the image of secular India in Gulf countries, and if they continued, Indians in our country will be fined and forced to leave.